So I have a really cool product from RGBlink. They can transmit your 4K HDMI signal or a computer or smartphone screen simultaneously and wirelessly to 2 HDMI monitors. It's so simple and useful, and let me show you how it works.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Also, if you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it down there nice and easily. So this is the RGBlink ASKnano 4K wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. And in the box, you get the transmitter, the 2 receivers. You also get USB-C power cables and an HDMI extender just to help those like awkward HDMI setups. And it also has an HDMI to HDMI mini and HDMI macro adapter. And it's so simple to use. I just plug this thing into my camera's HDMI output, and I have one going to my HDMI switcher, and I have one going to this TV behind me. And it works, it's plug and play, it's so simple. There is a small delay, but not too much, it's not very distracting. And it gives a stable signal with a range of up to 65 feet in open areas. So it's plug and play, you just plug it into your different sources, and it just connects immediately and just that quickly. But you can also press this button right here and you can change it over into like a Wi-Fi source where you can connect your computer or even your smartphone, and you can mirror that playing on those different displays. It's really easy to connect, and I think it's a very easy solution for those that need to get that HDMI signal across the room. Maybe if you're doing a podcast and you have multiple cameras and you can't run a cable all the way to the other end of the room, this would be a great way to do that. But something like this would be perfect for your home entertainment setups, maybe for presentations or education, giving that crystal clear 4K resolution without any of the long cables that you have to drag. Like I don't have to drag a whole cable all the way to that TV. So there are a lot of really great uses for something like this. I'd love to know, how would you use it? Let me know, drop a comment. But make sure you check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. Other than that, this is a very simple and quick video because there's not much to it. It's really cool tech and not a lot of explanation needed. Other than that, that's it for today's video. And if you want to see some other RGBlink videos that I've done, check out this big switcher right here, or you can check out the small switcher over here. And I'll see you there.